Hi everyone, this is Kathy and Kelsey from Frankly Brent Natural Beauty, and tonight it's kind of late up here. It's like about 9:30 at night, and it's in October, and we're making our third Christmas soap, and it's gonna be cinnamon cocoa, and it's inspired by the brambleberry cinnamon cocoa fragrance oil that we love. It smells just divine, beautiful, delicious. And we're going to be using this beautiful little inlets that I'm going to show you before I start making the soap, and some mica powder, also from brambleberry, and it's called a cappuccino mica. So let's go and do this. Let's go soaping.
Let's get soaping.
All right. Alright, so what I have in here is our recipe, our oil recipe. Almond oil, castor oil, coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil. Okay, right in here. And I'm going to put a little tiny bit of colloidal oatmeal in here. And we're going to blend it with our oils first, like we usually do. Okay, so I blended my sodium lactate and the oatmeal, the ground up oatmeal with my oils. And then now I'm going to put the lye in. But before I do that, I want to show you what we made. We made little chocolates, so let me grab them from here. Okay, so we made those little chocolates. We melt and pour. And we have some cinnamon sticks that we're going to put on top of the soap. And we're going to show you at the end, okay? When we're doing the frosting and putting the embeds. It's going to look really cute. Okay, so let's put these aside for now. Okay, so I'm going to put my lye in right now. Slowly. Make sure we don't splash it anywhere. Alright, put it all in. Alrighty. And I'm going to mix that in and thicken it up a little bit, emulsify the whole thing. And then we're going to color our batter brown and a little bit of white. Alrighty then. And now is the time to put in our fragrance oil, our cinnamon cocoa. That smells delicious. It smells just like a drink, a nice winter drink. It's delicious. So that's what we're going to do. And I'm not sure if it's going to accelerate, so we're going to do this without this guy here. Because I don't want to be like, oh my gosh, pudding already. So I just don't want to do that. So let's do it by hand, and then we'll stir it, because we have to still stir in the colorants and stuff. So, and just so you know, this fragrance oil says on the bottle that this colors to brown. So we're gonna use a little bit of the cappuccino mica. So we're gonna use a little bit of the cappuccino mica from brambleberry, but just because we want to have it low phenol soap to be all uniform, nice colored brown, even if it's gonna discolor brown. Alright, I'm gonna put some over here in this little bucket here. That's gonna be for the top right there. Alright, so let's do this one brown. Put a little bit of brown in there just because we wanted to make it look nice, beautiful brown. I don't know if I want to use more, because I don't want to make it too dark, because it's going to be a lot darker than this when it cures. So I decided to put a little bit to help it out a little bit more, right, kiddo?
Right.
Okay, so that looks kind of cool. Oh my God, it smells so good. This smells like I want to drink the batter here. But no, I want, don't worry, I want, Kelsey. I won't drink it. Okay.
The scent reminds me of hot cocoa that I used to drink when I was a kid.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. The Swiss Miss.
Ah, that is like hot cocoa. Look at that. It does look like hot cocoa. You're right. Okay, so I'm mixing my colorants now. I mixed actually a darker brown in there, and because I didn't like it, I wanted a drop swirl, and I didn't like that. I didn't like that color. It was too light, and I thought I needed a little bit of more contrast with the white, with the creamy white. So that's why. Yeah, I'm gonna try to blend this in because the white is kind of hard to mix in without blending. Alright guys, so we got a new mold. We got it from Etsy, and it's a 5-pound wood mold, and we're gonna test it today, test it out and see how we like it. And I'm gonna pour it right in there, all the brown that I mixed before. And I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Wow, look how beautiful that is. It is fantastic. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna put this beautiful creamy color in there. And a little swirl, swirl, swirl. And then I'm gonna do this one over here. And we're gonna let this sit for a little bit so it gets nice and dense, you know, and thick. And then we're gonna pipe it, and we're gonna do the finishing touches. All right. Okay. See you guys in a little bit. Okay. So we're gonna pipe now. I'm gonna put little tiny dollops. Questions. All right, so I'm going to be filling all this up, and we're going to be back, and we're going to put the embeds on them. Okay, so we're back, and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon powder all over it, just a little bit. And he said, no, cinnamon powder actually is good for your skin. They make cinnamon masks and all kinds of things. So I think this is going to be so cute. They're gonna be so nice. And so no glitter on this one, just chocolate slices, little chocolates, and chocolatini. Remember, they're not made of chocolate, they're soap. And cinnamon stick. And when you use the soap, please take the cinnamon stick out. It's not meant to stay in there. It's just for decorations. Okay. Okay,
Alright.
And I have 3 chocolates left. So we're going to put a chocolate here. Chocolate here. And a chocolate here. And I guess the other ones can get cinnamon sticks. Alright, and we're done here. Alright, here it is, our cinnamon cocoa soap. Another holiday soap. There it is. I'm going to show you guys how it looks really, really close. There you go. Very, very, very close right now. See that? Hi everyone, this is Kathy. I'm back cutting my cinnamon cocoa soap, and we waited actually about 3 days because I had to work and didn't have time to do this, but here we are back here. Hopefully it's not that very tough to cut. It seems to be okay, but that's what it looks like. So we're going to slice it and see what it looks like inside. And like you see over here, it did discolored because our fragrance oil had vanillin in it, and you know, like vanilla flavor in there, and that's what happens when you use that kind of fragrance oil. Right, Kelsey?
Right.
Okay, so we're going to see what happens here. Those are really cool. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing this, and I'll show you the final results here, what it looks like after I cut all the slices. I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, if you guys liked this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up, and also to subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos. Alright, don't forget also to check our Facebook page, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Instagram is my favorite. I love Instagram, so I post a lot of stuff there, and if you have any questions, please comment on below. We'll be very happy to answer any of your questions. See you guys later to the next one. A la próxima. Bye bye. Ciao.